Coming at you from the Red Robin parking lot. I am picking up the Royal Burger, fries, and then a huge order for Jenny's kids. And Jen and I are going to go back and we're going to recreate this burger and the steak fries, because sometimes I don't want to go out to eat because I'm wearing my fat pants. So I'm going to go pick up the order and let's get started. All right, thank you. I'm hungry too. I'm gonna probably have some fry. Oh, there's a car. Is it gonna slow? Barely. Rude. Okay. This is. I want to eat it like now. What is this? Oh God. Okay, I have to eat. I'm so hungry. I have to eat a fry. I have to eat a fry. I don't know which one of Jenny's kids this one is, but what he doesn't know won't hurt him. Okay. Okay. Got a little bit of that steam effect. Not that crisp, because it's been in these containers. I think Jenny and I can do better. No offense. You know what? We about to do better. Noisy. Good Lord. This is a tremendous amount of, You guys looking at me wondering why I got a selfie stick. Why don't you worry about concrete? I'll worry about making cooking videos, okay, Bob? Hello. I come bearing food. Here it is. What is this?
What? Oh, I'm gonna make you one too.
Excuse me. Oh, is this on? Yeah, we're ready.
Oh,
You ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
Start.
Burger and fry time. Burgers and fries.
So Jen and I, we were thinking, I want to do our own homemade, especially because Memorial Day is tomorrow. We thought, let's try, Rob always gets the Royal Burger at Red Robin. And Jen's been wanting to make our own fries.
Yes.
I love the Red Robin all-you-can-eat fries.
Oh, I
And
know.
It kind of stresses the waitress out. She's like, really? Do you think you need it? I'm like,
I do.
Don't judge me.
And let me tell you something, they're a little slow with bringing those to the table.
Real slow.
And refreshing them.
Practically false advertising.
Exactly.
So the Royal Burger it's a big fat burger. It has a runny sunny side egg on it. It has a tomato, American cheese, 2 slices of bacon, a bun. Of course, we've got the steak fries.
Right.
And Jenny and I got the Campfire Sauce, okay? So, I mean, I feel like we can probably
Do better.
nail it.
Okay, so here it is. And I already know we can do a lot better. Completely better.
We're not drinking the haterade. We're just feeling homemade.
There you go.
Homemade is homemade.
So we're just gonna put it here and we're going to cut into it. Okay, it's got a little pink. We wanted that, but the egg isn't running down, okay?
No.
But it also has been kind of sitting in the car in their defense.
In their defense.
But, well, no.
I don't know why you're doing that. Don't
No,
be silly.
yeah, that's ridiculous.
And then Campfire Sauce is my favorite sauce. It's like barbecue and mayo, really. So, don't mind if I do. Okay, I'm starving.
Let's try it.
Not crispy. Again, because
They've never really been crispy though.
Mm-mm.
They're pretty,
So we want to get ours crispy. But it's not like I hate what I'm tasting.
right. And we're gonna show you how we cut our fries, how we're gonna try to duplicate this.
It's
We're gonna
easy.
it's so easy.
It's so easy.
Let's try the hamburger, shall we?
It just has mayo. I don't think it has any kind of special sauce. I think that's what we should do to take it next level.
Right. Oh.
Okay, Red Robin, okay.
It's good. I love that egg. It's really, 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 really good. Again, I think it's lacking a little bit of seasoning in my opinion.
Yeah, it's just mayo. There's no like,
There's no pow in that at all, in my opinion. The lettuce is shredded. Is there onion?
So let's pow it up. Nope, just shredded lettuce, patty, American cheese, egg, bacon.
We're gonna do a number on this baby.
We're gonna call it the Royal Queen Burger, aren't we?
The Royal Queen. It's what we're gonna do. We are all set up. We even found, and we will tag you in it, but we're gonna make it together. We're gonna make the copycat version of Red Robin's seasoning. So we can season our fry. I didn't even taste it on these.
Weak. We're gonna kick that flavor
We
up.
really are.
Notches.
You can do better at home.
Let's do it.
Better
Right
at home.
now.
Let's do it.
Time to make the Royal Queen Burgers. It doesn't take much to get her going. She's like, it's Friday. Tell me anything. I'm going. Let's
Okay.
make our seasoning.
Let's make the seasoning. Now we found a really good one that we think that is gonna really nail it out of the park. So we've got a 1/4 cup of paprika. This will be good, it's gonna make a lot. We've got some nutritional yeast. We'll give you the exact measurements here.
Nutritional yeast is delicious.
It really is. When I
It's
did plant-based, I lived
yummy.
on it, but it's so
It
cheesy.
tastes like Parmesan cheese.
It
Yeah,
really
so
does.
If you've got issues with dairy, what a great seasoning.
Alternative: salt, garlic powder, onion powder.
We'll give you guys the
Exact
full
measurements. We've
exact
got some
measurements below.
basil, sugar, black pepper, freshly cracked, cumin,
Fresh crack.
fresh cracked. It's cracked.
Fresh crack. That's what I'm gonna call butt cracks now.
Fresh cracked. Cumin and chili powder. So then we're gonna shake it. And why not try it? I mean, cause, woo.
Ooh, powdery. Yeah, you probably do need a, ooh, yum. Oh my God, put that on everything.
That is good.
That is already gonna take it 10 notches, isn't it?
It is, and we're gonna put this on our hamburger too. So I think the first thing that we will do is make our fries. We wanna get those kind of cooked, set, and seasoned, and then we'll get our patties made. But now I have a fry cutter, and then I actually have 2 different kinds, like the real thin, skinny, and then I also have a steak fry, and I did it and I was very disappointed. Very disappointed. So you know what, with steak fries, it's easy to cut it yourself. And I literally cut it in. I peel it to be true to, I did some that weren't. I left the peel on, but to stay true to the Red Robin, they peeled it. So I peeled it first, and then, cut it in half, and then lay it flat side down, and then cut them into like 4 different, probably 4 or 5 different slices. So anyway, putting them in water like this, in cool water, helps release some of its starch. So I think to better it at home, we might do the double fry, which I feel like they're lacking in that regard. Now, double frying it helps really crisp it up. So I'm gonna actually get these onto a cookie sheet, kind of pat them dry. You definitely don't wanna do some water and oil. It's a really bad combo.
Real splattery. Okay.
Really bad combo.
Watch your eyeballs.
Okay, so we're gonna put the fries in. Make sure your temperature's at 375. We've got some of ours, we're doing it better at home, okay? So we've got some of them with the skin on and some of them that don't. And so now we're just going to generously Bobby flay it. Yeah. Trying. I don't want to overdo it, but I don't want to underdo it.
Yeah, you do.
Oh,
Keep flipping. Flip. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
nice. Oh, hi.
Oh, yeah.
So now we are going to be making our own campfire sauce,
sauce.
but until we do, we gotta try.
one. We gotta try.
I'm gonna use theirs.
Yeah, this is theirs, which is delicious.
Oh.
First of all, I can actually taste the seasoning.
But better at home on steroids. Better at home on steroids. I'm not kidding.
I've completely lost the skin off of the roof of my mouth, and it was worth it.
All right, it's time for campfire sauce.
Yes, it is.
And listen, I don't make it complicated. I just do equal parts barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is, and equal parts mayonnaise. Pick your favorite barbecue sauce, pick your favorite mayonnaise, and then I just keep taste testing. If I feel like
There's
want
only
it,
one good mayonnaise, guys.
Hellman's, it's true.
There, that's about, whoa, do we need to measure that? Doesn't matter.
No, just eyeball it and taste test.
Even though Anna's the whisker, I'm gonna take over.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, here we go. Still a little bit more barbecue. It's got a kick. Ours has a kick.
I gotta be honest, I like the cheap, made from corn syrup, Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay? Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh, it's got a kick. Jenny said that a few summers ago. She got real fat off of homemade campfire sauce.
I did. Okay, now this is a pound of, we've got pastured beef, ground beef here, and I just like to, what I like to do is I like to put them into balls, okay? And since my hand's on it, I kind of really need to wash my hands. I don't want to put my hands in that. But I'm gonna season it using the new campfire seasoning.
Yep.
And we're gonna get them on a hot skillet. We're gonna get this going to a good medium high. Now I cooked up some bacon so we could replicate. And I left some of the bacon grease in the pan. I mean, come on. So let's cook these up. Okay, when you hear the sizzle, you know. And I'm kind of like rolling it. Yeah, we got it nice and seasoned. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I know it's kind of, you're like, Jenny, it's a meatball. Yes, it is. Watch. Now we're going to do full-blown assembly. So,
Okay, so instead of shredding,
we're gonna do a little bit of campfire sauce though
on the bottom.
on the bottom of our bun after we had toasted it in a little bit of butter. Look at that. Now I gotta do what Emerald taught me. Season it, yes.
Okay.
Even though it doesn't, you know.
Now we're gonna put the incredible hamburger on top. Okay, they did not have campfire sauce in the royal burger. They just had mayo on top. Okay, 2 slices.
Okay, crisscrossing that.
Okay, then we're gonna add onion. They didn't have onion, but I love onion. Do you love onion?
Yeah, I love it. You gotta have onion.
Me too.
And then
Tomato.
I seasoned my tomatoes.
Salt and pepper, have to.
Okay.
Okay, now we gotta put that egg on top. Oh my gosh. Talk about a gluttony of pleasures.
No doubt. Oh, there goes a tomato.
Tomatoes are a little bit hard on a,
They are. We're gonna keep the one
okay.
because
Oh yeah.
it wants to be silly. Then we've got
Oh man.
the
That
bun.
is- Do you wanna put pickle on top?
Yes, I do.
This is like a bread and butter pickle that's kind of sweet.
Is it?
Yeah, it's sweet and spicy.
I'm sorry.
Look at the egg.
Oh yes,
Royal Queen burger.
Yes.
Better
at
at
home.
home. Okay.
How to take that perfect bite? That's the question. That is the question.
Jenny has ketchup. She wants to
Ketchup.
dip hers in ketchup. I want to dip mine into the campfire sauce. I almost feel that if we both ate at the same time, it would be like,
So, buddy, don't even wait. 'Cause
why
then-
are you not eating?
Okay, I can
now
like-
I'm upset. I don't know what you think this is.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Would you want this on a first date?
Okay.
Yes. Let the man know.
No, this doesn't even compare.
Doesn't even come close. It's like, it's not even in the same
It's not even.
stratosphere.
It's not. It's it's like, yeah.
It tastes the campfire sauce is perfectly seasoned. The bacon is unbelievable.
Oh, that bacon.
The rich yolk. And then you dip that in campfire sauce, real sloppy. Onion, I love that hit of onion.
Oh, we like,
But better at home.
but better at home on steroids. It's like, it's too good.
Oh my
Is there such a thing as too good?
You guys saw it for yourself. It doesn't get better than that. What about these fries?
And the campfire sauce.
Yeah, the campfire sauce is a must. I mean, you
It's
don't
too
need
good.
Well, it's spicy.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
There you have it.
you guys,
The Queen Royale
the Queen Royale burger.
Yep.
Better
at home.
at home.
We nailed it. We nailed it again. Again.
Happy Bacon Day, guys.
Bye.
Bye. I hate having to share this with John.
I'm hungry. I got boys that want to go turkey hunting.
Can we go?
I just get on. Oh, you guys are eating. Oh wow.
No, this is
Are we
yours.
going?
I gotta eat.